Hey, today I'm going to show you a super fun and easy way to add emojis to your folders. So if you're like me, you probably have lots of files, lots of folders, and no real way to organize them. You do have the little colored dots you can add by right-clicking, adding a dot, but that's kind of lame. I'd rather use emojis, they're more fun. One way that I use emojis is to have certain folders stand out like a master folder, and I'll have other folders within that folder. You don't have to do that. You can add them to any file, any folder you want. This is just what I do. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super easy. So here we go. All right, pull up Google. Just do a search for emoji, E-M-O-J-I. And the first one that comes up should be this one. It says copy and paste next to it. That's the one you want. Click on that. You can scroll through all your favorite emojis. There's lots of them here to pick from. So find one you want. I'm going to do a unicorn folder just for fun. So all you do is you highlight it, Command C, which will copy it onto your clipboard. Go to new folder. I'm going to click on it once to rename it. I'm going to name it unicorn. Space. And then since it's on the clipboard already, we're going to Command V to paste it. And that's it. Now I have a unicorn folder. That's pretty cool. I'm going to create one more. Right click, new folder. Click it once to rename it. Snowman. Space, Command V to paste. There we go. That is a fun way to add life to your folders. It's very, very easy to do, and it's fun. Thanks for watching. Be sure to share this video with your friends, and we'll see you soon.